Have you ever wondered what you would do if you were stuck in an emergency situation with no cellular connection? Well, Apple has an answer to that. In a world where connectivity is key, Apple introduced a game-changing feature, the emergency SOS via satellite service. This service, specifically designed for iPhone 14 users, allows people to reach out to emergency services when there's no cellular connection. A lifesaver, literally. The service, which uses software and GPS information to guide users on how to point towards satellites, was first introduced as a complimentary feature. It has since been extended until September of 2025, giving iPhone 14 users a peace of mind for a couple more years. The impact of this service is already evident. Lives have been saved, including a man who was rescued after his car fell off a cliff. This feature, available in 16 countries and regions, including the US, UK, and Australia, has certainly made a difference and continues to do so. However, the future pricing model of this service is uncertain. Speculation is rife that Apple might decide to offer it for free in perpetuity. Tech analyst John Gruber suggests that Apple is taking a cautious approach by gradually extending the complimentary period to avoid potential public relations challenges. But what happens if Apple decides to terminate the complimentary service? This raises concerns over the potential risk to lives. Gruber suggests that Apple needs to find a viable and sustainable method to provide the service without any associated costs. Possible strategies include treating the cost as a public relations and marketing expense, or exploring monetization options such as a dedicated emergency beacon subscription. In the meantime, Apple users and tech enthusiasts are eagerly awaiting clarification on the future of the service. The decisions made by Apple will have far-reaching impacts on both accessibility and the company's reputation. To summarize, Apple's emergency SOS via satellite service has been a lifesaver for many iPhone 14 users. The extension of the free period assures users of their safety in emergency situations without cellular connection. However, the future of this service is uncertain, and Apple's next steps are eagerly anticipated. Whether it's the continuation of the complimentary service, a new pricing model, or a permanent free offering, one thing is clear. The decisions made by Apple will shape the future of emergency connectivity. Stay tuned for more updates on this evolving story.